Hello there, are you uncomfortable on your bicycle? Yeah. We have some solutions for you. Would you like to come into Aerotech's store and see what we've got for you?
My name is Kathy Rogers and I am the president of Aerotech Designs, and we manufacture clothing for bicycle riders. Our factory is all about solving a problem. When you ride your bike, you get really sore. What we choose to do is to control the quality and make a really excellent product that serves the needs of our customers. And our goal is to help our customers
Ride longer and feel stronger.
I really like these. Are they made locally?
Yeah, we make them right down the street at our factory. Would you like to take a look around?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Aerotech Designs has 35 years of manufacturing experience. Aerotech can create custom looks for your club or team.
Walk around our factory, what you'll see is that when we first started, all the patterns were made out of cardboard and manually cut with blades. Nowadays, we use everything digital. We take a pattern and we turn it into a vector image, and then these vector images are then used by a robot to cut out the shapes.
The robotic cutter that we have prints out a whole roll of fabric, and then we use an optical eye to read certain registration points. And from those registration points, it pulls a pattern from our computer system, and it cuts it out perfectly compared to the computer system pattern.
My name is Brandon Prettyman, and I am a graphic designer here. I would say the coolest thing about my job is when I take a design and have it put on a jersey, and I'm out in public and I actually see somebody wearing that jersey.
Wow, thank you so much for showing me around. I never knew manufacturing could be this cool.
Right!